Now I am talking to you about the last concept of the chapter, that is factor theorem. What is this? It's a type of remainder theorem. In remainder theorem there was a polynomial, there was a number. With the help of that number we obtain the divisor. When we divide by divisor we obtain the remainder. Here same way, let px be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. There is any polynomial whose degree is greater than or equal to 1, and this a be any real number such that this is what kind of number? When this a is put in the polynomial, the result becomes 0, that is remainder becomes 0. So we say x minus a is the factor. And conversely, if there is a factor, there is a polynomial x minus a. If x minus a is a factor, then we say p of a is 0. So this is two way. That is what? If px is any polynomial, degree is greater than 1, a exists any such real number which when put in place of x, then polynomial becomes 0, then we say x minus a is a factor. If the value of polynomial become 0 at x equals to minus a, then x plus a is a factor. And conversely, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial, then p of a will be 0. So this is the theorem which is known as the factor theorem. How I will apply? I am taking an example. Suppose px is any polynomial, that is x square plus 3x plus 2, and 1 is any number. I can take minus 1 is a number. So if I ask you what is p of minus 1, you say it is minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. So answer of p of minus 1 become 1 minus 3 plus 2. Answer of p of minus 1 become what? 3 minus 3. P of minus 1 become 0. So a's role is being played by minus 1. A be any real number, minus 1 is that real number. Polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 1. It is a polynomial of degree greater than 1. P of minus 1 is coming is 0. It means that as p of minus 1 is 0, what implies that x plus 1, because remainder is coming 0 at minus 1, so x plus 1 is a factor. Now in case the same question, if I ask you that if x plus 2 is its factor, I am taking converse result, that is conversely if x minus a is a factor, then p of a is 0. If I say if x plus 2 is the factor, if x plus 2 is the factor, then what has to be? P of minus 2 has to be 0. That is what? P of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2. This becomes 4 minus 6 plus 2. You can say this is 4 plus 2 positive positive plus 6 minus 6, result is coming 0. So the factor theorem is applicable both ways. A, that is if some number is in such a way that on which the result becomes 0, the first condition, and the second, if factor is given, then on that particular value so obtained, the answer of polynomial has to be 0.